Hi, my name is Santiago Saborio Vasquez. I'm from 81 and I am going to make the introduction of our science fair presentation. The topic is pollution. The name of the project is Pollution of the Beaches of Punta Arenas. The category is Demonstration of Principles and Processes, and the thematic area is Environmental Sciences because our project deals with the impact of pollution on the environment, in this case of the beaches. And the members are Jimena Vázquez Rojas, Luis Fernando Fernández Rodríguez, and Santiago Saborio Vázquez.
Now, I am going to talk about the general objective of the scientific project. So, the general objective of our work that is about the pollution of the beaches of Punta Arenas is to demonstrate via model all the factors that predispose the contamination on the seaside of Punta Arenas. The specific objectives of this work are really interesting. The first objective is to define beaches pollution, something that is going to help us to understand better our project. The second objective is to know the factors that predispose pollution in beaches. So by this way, we could do different things to stop this problem. And the final and third objective is to find solutions that may reduce this serious problem and therefore stop aggravating this situation.
What we did and how we did it. We as a group made a model based on a polluted beach. This model was made with the following materials: cardboard, yellow paint, blue paint, paper, and sand. The first step of making this model was to cut the sides in half, leaving the back side intact and removing the frontal one. Then we painted 1/3 of the cardboard floor with yellow paint. Then the rest of the cardboard was painted blue. Next, sand was applied in the part of the cardboard that was painted yellow. Then in the paper we printed images of polluting items like cups in plastic. Then we also printed dead fish to represent how pollution affects the environment. Then we printed some palm trees to represent that this is a beach. Then all those images were pasted into cardboard, cut out, and then placed in the sand or in the blue part of the cardboard. This model was made to represent how pollution affects the ecosystems and animals that live near the beach or in it. For example, fish. The plastic that is in the beach gets washed up, put into the sea, and fish eat that plastic and die.
Results and conclusions. In the results, we got recycle and use less plastic as some solutions. We determine that pollution causes death and that if there is pollution in a specific place, it is going to affect quality of life. In conclusions, it was possible to determine the concept of pollution of the beaches. It was possible to characterize the factors that predispose pollution on beaches, and that it was possible to present solutions that will reduce this problem, like recycle and use less plastic.
Why our project is of scientific importance. This project allows scientists to find more work and allows them to save animals and species from going extinct thanks to pollution. And the research done in this paper can also help other scientists in their research to help save the environment. This project can also spark the interest of scientific companies that might seek out for new jobs to make more revenue. And those scientists that get those new jobs will help out in the effort to save the environment. This project is also good to invest more time in because the pollution does not only affect the animals near or in the beaches, but it also affects us. Since those animals are eating that plastic and have the potential to live, us catching those animals for consumption, like fish for example, can lead up to us being poisoned by those plastics, since those fish ate those plastics and now they're in us, since we ate the fish. And also that plastic causes the ground near it to become unfertile, or in other words, that plants can't live in that ground anymore, can't grow. And if that plastic waste gets the ground that is used for farming, the people of many countries that rely on farming will starve if we don't help them by getting rid of the pollution problem at once.